fun. I gotta remove the bed because it's too tight up in there. So I'm just gonna take off. Oops. Oh, these bolts, I got one loose. The other ones are too tight. So I'm going to use my actual wrench. My torque wrench ain't strong enough, I guess. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust everything here. Okay. There's my wrench. There's my wrench. Potatoes, there's carrots, and a tomato sauce. Right back. Okay, so I've never taken off a truck bed before, so this should be fun. All the bolts are off. All the bolts are off. I'm not really sure how this... Oh, okay. Okay, so we got a little bit of movement here. That's something else. Piece of wood. Okay, so I got the bed out the way, and this is what I have to change right here. Holy moly, look. No wonder why it's leaking gas. Damn. Yeah, that is hella bad. Yeah, this thing is gonna get replaced. Jesus. I'm going to vacuum up all that stuff in there. That way nothing falls inside of it. Alright, so I can't really see back here. Huh? Alright, so you can't really see, but there's a little clamp back here. I'm trying to get to. Probably easier with a ratchet. I think it's like a 7mm. Can't see it. Oh, much more space. That's a lot more space now. Now I can get it off. You know what? Let me vacuum some more up in here. That's a little better. All right, let's see if we can top now. Come here with a wrench. There you are. See, is this the right size? Yep. Let me get a little bit more vacuum in here. Flathead real quick. Sorry, super bad. It goes right here. I'm trying to get off this piece right here. Just stay. There we go. Ow. Oh, there we go. Got that bad boy up on out of there. Cool. Look at that. Damn. That was really bad. I wonder why I was leaking. I wonder if this is from Ford. This is like original. 2014, nope. This has been replaced before. Okay. Well, that's gone. Now I still gotta wait for the part to come in. Just got the package. Just got the packaging. So let's see what we got. Okay, so there's that part. Looks good. Get down to this one. Let's see what we got. Oh, I took this off by accident. Just want to make sure this is somewhat the same. Yeah, looks like it. Cool. All right, well, let's put this bad boy on there. Right up in there. Cool. Just like that. Oh, that clamp is way too tight. Way too tight. Alright, so now let's put this up on here. Tight in there. Alright, so that's all nice and clamped down up in there. Now I'm just gonna put the truck bed back together. See how this works out. In. Well, it's back on. That's pretty easy. I gotta figure out how to put these screws up in here. And basically, make sure you have your holes, these holes, right here or at the bottom. That way, if there's any left of residue, it'll go in those holes when you're pumping gas. And that is done. So you have your vent hole, and you have your one that just leaks right back in there, just in case. Then I have to go back up in here, and then tighten up this clamp, and then basically I am good to go. Seems a little short though. It's like right on the edge. I don't want this to come off. What's that? Mustang? Probably. So, I had to readjust it again. I don't know if it was too small or just the perfect size, but I did get it on though. And I got the lip right here. This pipe is right here. There's like a lip right here, and I have the clamp right before the lip. You can kind of see it bulging out a little bit. So, and there's no gaps. Everything is good. So now this won't be leaking anymore. Cause man, that was looking crazy. Remember, you always keep this little hole facing down. That's your air hole. This is the extra fluid that falls in there. Yep. And that's that. And then got these nice little clean battery connectors. You know,